Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. In today's video, guys, I have ordered a box that I have not had on my channel in quite a long time. And yes, it is a thread up goodie box. And this is a very big box. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, first off, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos, because that's what I do on my channel. And of course, to all my regular subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now, about Thread Up Goodie Box. Thread Up Goodie Box is a used consignment store online, and you can get a goodie box sent to you for only $10. That's the styling fee. And anything you keep in this box, your $10 gets subtracted off of that. Now, they have different versions of goodie boxes that you can get sent to you. I will put them on the side of the screen right here. I personally, on this one, created my own box, and I decided to go with all shoes. Since we are going into fall and winter, I want to try on some shoes, and they had some cute styles that I liked. But for those of you who want to try it for your first time, I have a referral link where you will get $10 off your first box. If you use the referral link, I will leave it in the description box down below. Just click on that and you will get a $10 credit, and then I will get a $10 credit too, and it'll be a win-win for both of us. So if you do use that, thank you very much. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and open this and see what I got, because I've ordered this and now I completely forgot, but I do know it's all shoes. Oh, I like it. Okay, who are these by? Vince Camuto. Let's see what they're gonna charge for these babies. I love a booty with this kind of cutout detail. But let's see what they say about this. This is Vince Camuto ankle booty. Estimated retail value of this is $95. Thread up price, if I keep this, is $58.99. So let me come in close so you can see it. And like I said, you will see it on the split screen also of me trying it on. Now, it looks like it's solid right here, and then it has some kind of like alternating pattern right here on the side. It has a zipper in the back for easy access. It has a low cut block heel right there. Minimal wear. It doesn't look like it was worn that much at all. And this is an 8.5 medium. So I'm excited to try this. I like this a lot. And let's hope they are as comfortable as they are cute. Because I tell you what, the older I get, I have decided I am done. They can look as cute as they want. If they are squeezing on my toes, if they are pinching, if they are rubbing, I'm done. I'm not wearing them. I do not know how many shoes I have in my closet that look cute, but you know what? I never reach for them because they are uncomfortable. So I'm gonna leave the cute shoes for special occasions like Christmas parties or something like that. Then I will make an exception. But for something like this, that's gonna be for an everyday use, they have got to feel great. Okay, here is the next one out of the box, and I was definitely into the ankle. I'm liking this design. And this is by Laurie Goldstein, and these are ankle booties, and the retail value of this is $95, and they would only charge me $22.99. Now that's a really great price. That's way cheaper than the Vince Camuto, which is still almost $60 used. And look at the heel. That does not look like they've been worn at all. But like I said, if they don't pass the comfort test, then I'm not keeping them. I don't care how cute they are or how great of a deal they are. But I'm excited to try these. Now, like I said, you guys are going to be seeing me try these on as the video progresses. Shoe number 3 is by Coach. I was having fun shopping, wasn't I? And these are Coach ankle boots, and the retail value of this, $375. Wow. But if I decided to keep these, $82.99. I don't think I paid attention to the price when I put this in my buggy, because I still $82. That is a lot for a pair of booties. But let's go over the details. They are cute. There is a lot of wear on these, as you can see from the heels. It has a zipper on the inside right here, and on this side it looks like it has a snap button, and it just closes like that. So that's the way it looks. Nice boot, but the price might be a drawback on this one. Okay, so let's go on to the next booty. Okay, they wrap these separately. Boy, they're really doing a good job wrapping on these. Ooh, oh, these are cute. I hope they're pretty high, but you know, when you have your boot cut jeans on and you need some height and a cute little booty, these might fill the ticket. Who are these by? Feral Robin. And let's see what these are. Ankle booties. Oh, wow. I must have been in a high-end area. Retail value of this is $190. My price would be $47.99. Now here they are. They are two-tone brown, a more light camel color with more of a darker brown. It has an ankle strap right here, and it's great because you would never have to undo that. It just zips in the back. So we will see how these work. If I can pull out my boot cut jeans, I will try my boot cut jeans on because I do need some height with my boot cut jeans. So these are a good option for me. Okay, here's the next booty out. And this is by, ooh, these look comfortable. Bear Traps. Oh, Bear Traps are pretty comfortable shoes. Oh, these are a good possibility for me. Let's see. Bear Trap ankle booties, retail price $48. My price would be $21.99. I like that a lot. Oh, these are nice. Okay, I will hold it up close so you can see the details. It has a very low block heel. So it has a zipper on the side right here for easy access. That's a little bit tough, but I'm sure that's okay. These do not look like they were worn at all. Look at the bottom there, and there's no, you know, where you walk and you get the creases. These boots do not look like they were worn much at all. So these hold a good promise for me, and I like the price a lot. The next booty out, ooh, these are kind of sexy. I like these. Who are these by? Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. I'm not even, look at the dirt. Come on. Are you telling me they couldn't wash these boots before they put them in the box? These look like somebody just got done wearing them. Oh my goodness, but they are so cute. Oh, they're Old Navy. Oh, let's see. Okay, Old Navy's usually a good price. Old Navy ankle booties, $45. My price, $18.99. So I already got a $10 credit, so I'd only pay $8.99 for these. Oh, well, you know, we'll see what they look like. Okay, I ain't worried about a little dirt. I can wash them off myself. I ain't fancy like that. I can wash them. But yeah, they definitely thread up. Come on, guys, pay attention. That's gonna make you lose customers. The next pair of booties out. Oh, wow, now look at the heels on these. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They definitely look very well. They do not look like they've been worn much at all. And this is by Via Pinky. And let's give you some of the prices on this one. This is, the normal retail value is $36. My price would be $19.99. And look at the cute fringe on the back. How cute is that? Now it has two zippers. The outside zipper looks like it's just for detail or just for decorations. So yeah, it's just the inside zipper works to get in. Very low cut heel, very cute. I love the little fringe design. That's something I don't have right now, and I love that. And it just has a pretty little pattern right around the back of the ankle. So those are very promising, and I like the price on those too. Now for the next pair of booties out, and they wrap these individually. Oh, these are gonna be great in the winter. Look at these. Who are these made by? Aerosol. And the price on these babies are estimated retail value $74. My price would be $22.99. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? $22.99. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. It's a nice chocolate brown. Well, I don't know if it's chocolate brown, but a nice brown It has a decorative buckle right there with some faux fur on the top. Oh my goodness, this would look so cute with some skinny jeans. Oh, I'm really excited about those. And look at the heels on those. These do not look like they were worn at all. Oh, I hope these are comfortable. I really like these a lot. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I really like those. Now for the next pair. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, I must have been wanting to show off my ankles on these shoes on this box. Okay, who are these by? Let's see, pull this out. By Mixed 6, and the retail value of this is $95. Wow, my price would be $31.99. Oh my goodness, but these are kind of like unique. I don't have anything that looks like that. There's a little bit of scuff marks right there. The bottom heel looks pretty good. A nice chunky block heel there. How do you get these on? Okay, yeah, you just get them on like this. You have to undo the buckle. So, oh, these are really kind of cute. I like these a lot. $31, that's not a bad price. I think I got some fun, good options here. I really hope these things are comfortable. Like I said, they're not comfortable, I'm not keeping them. I only have one more pair of boots left, and that is these boots. And I think these are high boots. Oh yeah, look at these babies. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'm thinking these are Ann Taylor Loft Boots. Estimated retail value, $178. My price would be $41.99. And it's just a nice, basic, long, tall boot. It has a zipper right here on the inside to help you wiggle your foot in there and to be able to help pull your pants down, and so it doesn't get bunched up when you pull it on. And it looks like you can unfold it and even make it higher if you want, and then it'll have a split detail right there in the back. So that's not a bad boot. Like you can see, I pretty much stayed basic and true to my style with some unique details. Okay guys, I am back for the wrap up. I got all 10 pair of boots right here on the table. We're going to go through each one of them. I'm going to tell you, I know I'm keeping 2 of them, possibly 3, and that's where you guys can help me decide what you think. Now the first ones I'm going to talk about are these, and these were the Vince Camuto. Now these were the ones that were $58.99. Overall, they weren't bad. They were very tight on my foot. They were squeezing my toes together. So for that reason, even though I like the ankle cutout part of that, that's going to be a no-go. Now, here is going to be one of my keepers. I love these boots. These were so cute. These showed my ankles, and they were super comfortable and felt wonderful on. And this was by Mixed number 6, and these were $31.99. They were very easy to walk in. This thick block heel, super comfortable. I just loved everything about those, and I thought those were adorable. Okay, now the ones I was talking the most trash about because they were dirty. Yes, I'm not happy about that. That was the Old Navy boots, and these were $18.99. I'm keeping these. These are going to be a keeper. Yes, thread up though. Don't be doing that. Clean your boots up before you send them out. You know, but I'm like, they're cute and they're comfortable, and I'm keeping them. Okay, and then these ones I think were Coach. Yes, these were Coach, and these were $82.99. Now, I am sorry, look at that. $82.99. First off, they were not comfortable for me. They are for somebody who has an narrow foot. I have a wide foot, so that's just the nature of the shoe. But with wear like that on the bottom, like I would find something like that at Goodwill for $5. You know what I mean? I mean, that's a little bit too much wear if you ask me. Even though I know it's Coach and I know it's a good name, and maybe I'm being harsh, and I'm sure there's probably still a lot of life left in them, but $82, come on. I mean, do you guys agree with me? For that much wear on the bottom, $82, like maybe 20 bucks at the most. Okay, now we will talk about these boots. Oh, I so love these and I wanted to keep these, but I have to be honest with myself. These were just too uncomfortable, even though I love the little fringe detail. They're adorable little boots, but they were just uncomfortable and too tight on me. Okay, now these boots were made by Aerosol and these ones were $22.99. Now overall they were cute. The thing I didn't like about them, they were comfortable, the wedge wasn't too high or anything, and overall a nice boot, but for some reason this little line bothered me. I don't know why I didn't like that, so for that reason I'm sending those back. And these ones, Ann Taylor Loft Boots, how much did they want for these? I'm pretty sure it was a pretty penny. Oh well, no, $41.99. These were the tall boots. I totally disliked these boots, completely disliked the boots. I didn't like the way they were gathering on my leg. They were too tight on my toes and too tight around my knee area, so I just was not a fan of those. Now, this is the one that I'm going to need your opinion about. Who are these by? Laurie Goldstein. These were $22.99. Now, I'm only going to keep 2 pairs of shoes, and this is why I need your help. It's between these two. Like, you don't need 2 pair of black showing your ankle booties. So I want to pick between these two. I'm going to need your opinion on deciding which booty to keep. We're going to call these the black ruffle ankle booties, and we are going to call these the buckle ankle booties. So the ruffle or the buckle. Which one did you like? Let me know in the comment section, because I can't afford to keep 3 pair of boots. I can only afford to keep 2. And so let me know what you think. You can pretty much guess the last 2 I'm not keeping. These 2, these boots, as you saw in the video, I could not even zip these up. Oh, they were torture. I could not wait to get them off my foot. I was only determined to put them on so you guys could see these. These would have had to be in a 9 for me to keep. But they were like really high, but just not for my foot. Now these last ones, okay, these boots right here, these would be something so easy to wear, very comfortable, but the style was okay. I liked them. They were super comfortable, but I wasn't in love with them, you know what I mean? So I'm keeping 2 pairs of boots. I'm keeping the ruffle ones or the buckle ones, depending on what you guys think. And I'm gonna also ask my husband, and I'm keeping the Old Navy ones too. So I'm gonna keep 2 out of the 10 pairs of boots. Now remember guys, if you would like to try ThredUp, I have a $10 referral link. Use my link in the description box down below. You will get $10 and I'll get $10, and then I can buy more shoes. So let me know what you think of these boots, and I can't wait to see you on my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.